everyone, I'm Shirley. I'm from Sinseader. We are the manufacturer to the HDMI cables.
And this is, here he's showing the 16K
Yes.
HDMI cable.
Yes, this one is the latest HDMI cables. This one supports 16K resolutions. We are the manufacturer to the HDMI cable for 19 years.
So here we see 16K. So it's ready for HDMI 2.2. As soon as this comes, how soon can it be mass production on the market, launch?
Yes, and here you can see other products for the
Here's also a 16K.
HDMI cable, and here is the 16K DP cable. Yeah, this one. Here.
DP also there.
DP.
USB 4. Audio cables.
Yes,
And
we do OEM and ODM. Yes.
OEM, ODM.
Yes.
And right here, this is showing, it's kind of like your Kumo robot is making the cables in the factory, right?
Yes, sure.
Where's your factory? Zhongshan.
Yeah, we are the manufacturer in Zhongshan City.
All right. And over there, I see more. It says multi-port, Type-C docking. And there it is. Which one is the best?
Here.
All right. I see like this. 2 HDMI.
Yeah, this one 2 HDMI and 1 DP here. Here is the Type-C for PD. And here is the LAN and USB-A. Also the Type-C here.
Nice. And one like this also.
Yeah.
Here's also 2 HDMI with a bunch of ports. And I guess you can even open it.
Yeah, sure.
And you can put NVMe built in.
Yes, and this one is the Type-C docking station. You can put your laptop here.
Yeah. And it also has HDMI,
Yeah, sure.
PD, and gigabit LAN.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology connects the future today.